guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Erin and welcome to my channel. Obviously, I am super excited and obviously I am wearing something. Don't think anything else. I'm not naked, alright, because we are going to be painting my face and body, so I can have on a shirt, alright? Thank you. Let me just take a sip of coffee and get this tutorial started. To get my face nice and primed, I'm going in with the Maybelline Master Prime all over my face. And you already know the drill on how I get my lips nice and juicy. I'm taking this NYX liner in Cocoa to outline the mouth. Going in with my CC Beauty Flash Palette, affiliate link down below. I'm going in with that gray, putting it on a spatula and then on my palette to spread it out. And then with this Artist No. 1 brush, I am going to be using that gray to paint all over my face, except where I outline the mouth. And then I'm going to be taking it down onto my shoulders and chest. And of course, can't forget my chins. With my other CC Beauty palette, I am using the white to highlight the spots where I obviously want to highlight. With my MAC 263 brush and black, I am going to be filling in my eyebrows. To set my face, I am using the RCMA No Color Powder. I'm using my P. Louise black base to set all over my eyes to give me a nice base so I can lay down my black that I'm going to be using from my Prism palette from Anastasia. And I am packing that on with a flat shader brush from 6 Plus. To blend out that black, I am using a Morphe 139 brush. And with that same brush, I'm going to go in with Flourishing and I'm going to blend some of that in as well. Now with some latex and some Dollar Tree cotton balls, I'm going to be laying down the latex and putting on some of the cotton right on top because it is going to give us a nice texture that we are going to be using to make our mouth. And I'm just going to be using the same method, laying down some latex and then laying down some more cotton and then laying down some more latex and so on and so forth. And now with this red blood color for my CC palette, I'm going to go ahead and fill in the inside of the mouth. To add some shadows inside the mouth, I am going to go ahead and put some black in and blend it out. Alright, now it is time for the teeth. As you can see, the first one that I am laying down is a little thick. She is on the thicker side, but I will fix that. So the method that worked for me, I actually, once I pulled the cotton into this little roll kind of thing, I dipped the entire thing into the latex. That helped out a lot because it kind of gave me a more thinner look that I was going for, a more teeth-like look. And then once I dipped that in, I put that right onto my mouth and it gave me a nice tooth looking thing going on. And I'm just pressing it in, making sure that is on nice and tight. We don't want that falling off. That wouldn't be cute. See? Yeah. Go ahead and take some cotton off. Yeah, she's a little thick. Fixing that. And I am just repeating the same process for the entire mouth. Just dipping it into the latex, putting it on my mouth, dipping another piece of cotton into the latex and putting it on my mouth. Pretty simple. It's just a little tedious, but you know, if you want to have a nice cute demon mouth, you have to, you know, go through the steps over and over again. With that same gray, I'm going to be painting the outside of the mouth so it can blend in with my face. With the Morphe 438 brush and the color Glucose, I'm going to be brightening up my under eye and my forehead. With my Lorac Pro palette, I'm going in with the color gray and a BH number 8 brush, and I'm going to be contouring my nose and then putting some of that also on my temples. With the Suva Hydro Liner in the color Freeze, I'm going to get a detail number 2 brush from Michaels, and I'm going to be making these little strokes down my eye. I guess I'm crying blue, I guess, I don't know. It looked nice. And I've also seen it on the demon that stands on the edge of my bed at night when I'm trying to sleep. So I'm like, you know, let me just put it on this demon, because why not? Now I'm going to be putting some of my homemade coagulated blood into the openings of the teeth. I'm adding some cherry soda onto the outside of the mouth so it can look nice and irritated, and also onto the teeth. This is my homemade edible blood. This is more drippy, so I'm going to be taking that cute little sponge and putting it on the outside because it looks good, and why not put some more blood? I mean, we want it to be bloody. We want it to be bloody and drippy, and yeah, drip drip. And using the toothbrush that you use to brush your teeth every day, dip that into the edible blood and flick it onto your chest and face. This is the completed look. My weave affiliate link is down below, so if you want to purchase this nice synthetic wig, go ahead and click that affiliate link. The headpiece I got from Walmart. The little skulls that you see in the middle, I glued those in. I got the skulls from the Dollar Tree because it was looking a little bare. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and turn on those notifications because October is not over. Alright, bye!